This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning with automatic climate control, an unattended headlight warning chime, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 52,000 miles. A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. A GM-certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.